Hi-ho, Kermit the Frog.
And Gonzo here.
And we're about to watch Monsters, Inc. on DVD.
Wait, Kermit, Gonzo, don't watch it.
Why, Big Bird, why?
That DVD has a THX logo. Please don't watch it. Alright, Big Bird. Whatever you say, you big yellow muppet. Uh-oh, Kerm. There's the FBI warning screen.
Could we just skip the previews already? I already watched Finding Nemo yesterday. Gonz, can you press the play remote, please? Turn the movie on, will ya?
Yes, Kerm. I'll do it just for you.
Uh-oh. Wait, is that Tex the robot?
Uh-oh, that red robot better not get my Camilla.
Texie, whatever you do, don't plug that bouquet in, don't plug that bouquet in, don't plug that bouquet in. Oh, please don't, it's starting.